How to change SIM PIN code on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your device. You can adjust settings for the screen, sound, wireless connections, etc., and manage your accounts, apps, and notifications to create a personalized user experience. Once you're here, tap on Cellular as shown. From here, you can find out how much data you're using and manage carrier settings such as eSIM and Wi-Fi calling. Now, find the SIM PIN option and tap on it to continue to the next step. On this page, you will see a toggle for the SIM PIN. Tap on Change PIN below it. You will be prompted to enter your current SIM PIN to verify your identity. After that, you can enter your new PIN. Following these steps, you can easily change the SIM PIN code on an iPhone.